the Special Appreciation Award for Innovation of Rolling Stock in Parts and Components. It goes to Jindal Rail Infrastructure Limited. Please come on stage.
Jindal Rail Infra is contributing in a significant manner to Indian Railways. We manufacture special purpose wagons for steel, cement and automobile industry. The entire Jindal Infra team coming on stage. Can we give them a louder round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? Kindly keep the applause going.
Good afternoon, everybody. First of all, I would like to thank Ray Analysis for choosing JRIL for this prestigious award. I would also like to thank JRIL team. Jindal Rail is based at Baroda with a state-of-the-art technology plant at Baroda. We are also the first industry who are doing the collaboration with Indian Railway RDSO and doing much innovation work. Like we have developed many wagons like BOSM wagon, automobile wagon and other wagon, multi-purpose wagon also, coil wagon also. So with this award, we would like to thank again, and we would like to continue this journey in future also. Thank you.
Thank you.